Cleared for takeoff, orbit 221. Okay, we're cleared for takeoff. Turn on the landing lights and then turn left onto the runway and let's head to Naples. After takeoff, maintain runway heading, climb to maintain 4,000. V1. Rotate. V2. Positive rate, gear up. Set flaps 0.
Orbit 220.
Orbit 221, climb and maintain 1,000.
Up to 11,000, orbit 221. Okay, we're clear to climb to 11,000 feet. 1,000 to go. Turn the landing lights and the seatbelt sign off. Level off at 11,000 feet and set cruise thrust. Don't exceed 340 knots.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign, indicating that it is safe to move about the cabin. For your own safety, though, we request that you keep your seatbelt fastened when you're in your seat during this short flight. We'll start our in-flight beverage service shortly.
We're crossing over the Pratica to Marian DB. Turn to a heading of 092 degrees and fly to the Frosinone VOR. Crossing over the Frosinone VOR. Turn to a heading of 123 degrees and fly to the Teano VOR. descending below 10,000 feet, turn the landing lights and the seatbelt sign on and reduce your speed to 250 knots. Ladies and gentlemen, we're now commencing our descent into Naples. We hope you've enjoyed this short flight. Hope you'll join us again. Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for landing.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign. In preparation for landing, please make sure your seat backs and tray tables are in the upright and fully locked position. We'll be making a final pass through the cabin to pick up any service items, and we'll be on the ground shortly.
Orbit 221, turn right, heading 210. Reduce speed to 180 knots.
Right to 210, slowing to 180, orbit 221. Start a right turn now to a heading of 210 degrees. Reduce thrust and bring our speed back to 180 knots. Set flaps 1.
Orbit 221, welcome to Naples. Continue rollout, turn left to taxiway Bravo.
Ground on point 9er, orbit 221. Take a left here on taxiway Bravo. Stop here. Set flap 0, check spoilers down. Set the parking brake, turn off the fasten seatbelt sign, and shut her down. Nice flying, Captain.